everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to look at corrections to a common logarithm, that is logarithm using table. So we want to look at products and the division. So solutions to the correction to the quiz given to us. So the first thing is we're going to draw a table. We draw a table, put number here, then we put log. All right. So the first number we have here is 0.5624, and so what is going to be the characteristics here is going to be by 1. All right, because we have 10 here. So then we look for the log. Under the logarithm of numbers, that's what we're going to check. We're going to check 56 under 2. 56 under 2 gives 74 and 97. Then we trace it down to difference of 4. Difference of 4 gives 3. So when you add this together, you're going to have 0, 0, 5, 7. That is 7500. All right. So the next number is 0.0378. So the characteristics here will be what? By 2. That's negative 2. All right. So we check 37 under 8 straight. So we check not the same logarithm of number, and that's going to give us 57 75. So because what we have here is multiplication, we're going to add this together. We're going to add this, and then this is going to be 5, 7, 12. This is going to be 13. So this is plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So this is also what? By 2. So for this, so we're going to check antilog now. So we're going to check antilog. So we check, that's you go to antilogarithm of numbers. Antilogarithm of numbers. That's what you're going to check on your 4-figure table. So we're going to have check 32. This 32 under 7. 32 under 7, and that gives 21, 23. 21, 23, difference 5. So difference 5 gives us 2. So we add, this is going to be 5, 2, 1, 2. I hope I'm making sense. Oh, this is not showing. I hope I'm making sense. So this is going to be 2, 1, 2, 5. All right. So the next is now to put a decimal. Since this is bar 2, we just add 2 zeros and put decimal point here. So the answer is equal to 0.02125. And that is the answer we have here. I hope that is very clear. So we go to question 2. So under question 2, the same thing. We're going to do the same thing. So let's have number and then logarithm. So the number is 38.09. That is going to be what? 1. So we have 201. Then we now check. We check 38 under 0. 38 under 0 gives 57. Alright, 5798. Okay. Difference 9 is 10. So this is 80885. That is going to be 58085808. So the second number is 1.008. So and this is going to be 0 points. That's characteristics. We have one digit before decimal place there. That gives us 0 points. So we now check 10. We check 10 under 0. That gives 0. 0, 0, 0. Difference of 8 gives 33. So that's going to be 0, 0, 3, 3. 0, 0, 3, 3. So this is also multiplication as well. So we're going to add. We add here as well. That is plus. So this is 11, 4, 8, 5, then 1. So we now check anti-logarithm of number, all right, that is 58 under 4. 58 under 4, difference 1. 58 under 4, difference 1 gives us 38, 38, 37. 38, 37. Difference of 1 is 1. So that gives us 38, 38. So what we have here is 1. We add 1 to it. That gives us what? 2. So we count 1, 2. So the answer will be 38.38. 38.38. So this is the answer here. 38.3. Approximately 38.39. I believe this is very clear. So we'll move to the next question, question 3 now. I believe everything is showing good. Question 3. For question 3, we have the same thing. We're going to have the same thing here. We have the number, we have log, we have 2.87 times 0, 0.034. 0.034. So we're going to also find, so the characteristics here is also 0 points. All right. So we now check 28 under 7. 28 under 7 here. And that is going to give us 45, 45, 79. So this will be what? Bar 2. That's the characteristics of this one. So this one, we only check 34 under 0. And that gives 53, 53, 1, 5. So because of multiplication, again, we also add. We add this. So 9 plus 4, that gives 9 plus 5, that gives 14. This is 9. All right. This is 8. This is 9. And this is 2. 0 plus minus 2 is what to minus 2. So we now go to anti-logarithm. We go anti-logarithm now. We are going to check 98. 98 under 9. 98 under 9 gives us, let's check 98 under 9. Okay, gives us 90, 97, 50, 97, 50. Then difference 4 is 9. So that's going to give us 97, 59. All right, 97, 59. So we have bar 2 here. So to get this one, the same thing, that's going to be having 2 zeros. So 9, 7, 5, 9. So by the time you approximate it to 4 digits, it's going to be 0.0976. 0.0976. I hope that is clear. Then move to question 4 now. For question 4 is under division. So it's under division. We're going to have number. We're going to have log. So under the number we have 45.08. So this will be what? 1 point. So we now check 45 under 0. 45 under 0. 45 under 0 gives us 65, 32. Then difference 8 is 8. So that is 65, 40. 65, 40. Then the second number, 5.462. So 5 points now will give us 0 point. 0 point. So that gives us. So we now check 54. 54 under 6. 54 under 6 gives us 73, 72. So 73, 72. Difference of 2. Difference of 2 gives us 2. So that will be 73, 74. So here, don't forget, we're going to subtract. We are subtracting here. So to subtract, take 1 from here. So it means 3. So this will become 6. This is 13. This is 6. This is 1. We take 1. This remains 0. All right. Then this is 16. And that is 9. Then this remains 0. I hope that is clear. So that remains 0. So the next is to find the antilog. Find the antilog of 91 under 6. So antilogarithm 91 under 6. So difference 6. So 91 under 6 gives us 8260. 8260. Difference 6. That is 8. So that is 82. 82. Sorry. It's 82. Let me check. Let me check. 8241. Sorry. It's 8241. Difference of 8 is 11. So that is 82, 52. 82, 52. I hope that is clear. So we have 0 here. We add 1 to 0. That gives we count 1. That is 8.252. 8.25. 8.253. So that is the answer to that one. So the last question we have here. So question 5. This is also under division. So under division. So we have this. We have number. We have log 0.297. So this will give us bar 1. Alright. So we take 29 under 7 now. That gives 47.28. Then the next one is 0.0805. So this is bar 2. So we check under this one, we check 80 under 5. 80 under 5, and that is 90.58. 90.58. So don't forget, this is also subtraction. We then subtract, this gives 0. Carry 1 here, that's 6, 12, that is 7, 6. Then carry 1 from here, that is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1, this will become minus 2. Then this is 14, that is 5. So that means here is minus 1 minus 1. Then minus 2. So you know we borrow 1 from the minus 1 that we have there. That is this one. Then minus, because it's minus minus 2. So this is going to be minus 2 plus 2. So this gives what? 0. I hope I'm making sense. So what we're going to check now is anti-log 0.56/7. And that gives 3690. 3690. So since we have 0 here, we just add 1 to 0. That is 1. So we count 1. So 3.690. So 3.6. So approximately this one. 3.6. So I went approximated 3.690. I hope this is very clear. So that is that on this. And this is where we're going to stop. I hope this is very clear and helpful. So we're going to meet in the next class. Bye for now.